this is my first meal of the day. I need to make a video on what I've been doing differently for a long time now. Back into my what I eat in a day videos. I'm just gonna make some oatmeal. If you guys have been following me, if you've been following my what I eat in a day videos, you know this is the oatmeal I use. It's the rolled oats, the gluten-free from Trader Joe's. This morning I'm going to add cinnamon, this organic plant-based protein from Garden of Life. It's their vanilla, and this one is 30 grams of plant protein, BCAAs, all kinds of good stuff, non-GMO, organic, vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, no added sugars. And I'm also going to add some organic flaxseed, packed with potential. Forgot to also mention I sprinkled in some stevia, organic sweet leaf stevia. Yes, I just don't have it out anymore. Anyhow, this looks very boring and plain, I'm sure, to some, but it's absolutely delicious and I love it. So I'm going to have a snack, and my snack is going to be a little odd. I've been obsessed with kimchi. I have been literally eating bags of this stuff. It's so good. I love the Cinto Gourmet. Their pouch is BPA-free, phthalate-free. It's their mild white Napa cabbage is probiotic, raw vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free. The flavor of this kimchi is so good, so good. So I'm going to have some of that. Kimchi is just so good for you. All in all, it's just raw. It's just amazing. And then I'm also I've been obsessed with this. It's the Follow Your Heart smoked Gouda. It's vegan cheese. It's lactose-free, vegan, casein-free, soy-free, dairy cheese, and it's the smoked Gouda. It tastes so good. And this is what's in it for those of you who are like, what in the world is kimchi? What is in that? It's just cabbage, water, organic apple juice, carrots, yellow rat. You can see for yourself. That's all that's in this. Nothing weird, nothing strange, just all natural. And here it is. Like I said, it doesn't really look pretty, but it's so good. So anyhow, this is my kimchi and my slice of vegan cheese. Got a little hungry again, so just snacking on some Brussels sprouts. Just took some organic Brussels sprouts and threw on some seasoning, some pepper. That's about it. Threw them in my toaster oven and gonna eat these up as a snack. And here was my second meal, or the meal after my snack. Some would consider it lunch. I don't really call things breakfast, lunch, dinner anymore, but this was my second meal. I just had some vegan veggie soup, and it was absolutely delicious. That's just what I was craving that day, so just decided to have some veggie soup. I think it was minestrone. Was it minestrone? Yes, it was minestrone soup, and it was delicious. So my last meal of the day, I think, unless I get hungry, is going to be a salad, just a really basic salad. I've been loving this salad lately. There's another salad that I've been loving, but I'm out of all the ingredients, so I'll have to show you guys in a different what I eat in a day. Anyhow, I'm just going to use some organic baby spinach from Trader Joe's, and the dressing I am using is the Follow Your Heart Reduced Fat Vegan Ranch. It is vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO, omega-3. And then I'm also using a avocado. That's what it's called. Chopping that up, and that's going to be, I'm thinking, my last meal. Like I said, unless I get hungry for something else, this will probably be it. So that's it, guys. That was my last meal. I didn't end up having anything else. I absolutely love this salad. It is so tasty. I'm obsessed with avocados. Who's not? Anyhow, and that dressing is everything. So I'm getting back into what I eat in a day videos. These are highly requested from you guys. I do still need to make an updated video on what I'm doing differently with working out and my way of eating, and I don't know, just get back to it. Thank you guys for your love and support and just being here. Thank you for watching my video and taking the time out of your day. And I will see you guys in another video soon. Please be kind to each other always. Bye!